Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? Today I will be doing some video of pickling, the very simple way of doing pickling of jalapenos. So let's get started. Look at my jalapenos. They're not as big, but that's good enough. Well, this we have is around one big tomato. So these are the few of jalapenos I harvested a few days ago. As you can see, some are already getting wrinkly because I put it in the fridge. I keep on harvesting for a while since it's just piling up over there. So now we can combine all this. Look how much that is. That's a lot of spicy jalapeno peppers. But no problem. As a matter of fact, I already made like a jar of this and we already finished it up. I really enjoyed eating it. It's really good appetizer. So yeah, I'm gonna make another batch. So let's start it. So first thing first, we're going to wash this thoroughly. Here you go, guys. Hold on. And we're gonna start chopping this. So we are going to start by cutting up our jalapenos in really thin pieces. If you can see, this is really thin like that. Okay, you don't need to get rid of the seeds. You still have, you can keep the seeds, or if you really don't like the seeds too much, you can maybe remove a little bit of it, but that's why jalapeno is spicy, because of the seeds, and we want it spicy, right? So aside from jalapeno, I already pickled some cauliflowers and also green beans, and they all work well, very tasty. And same with some carrots. So I had carrots, green beans, and cauliflower pickles too. So we're already done chopping our jalapenos. Next step, we are going to boil our vinegar and water mix. And yeah, pretty much that's it. We're just gonna slice up a little bit of some garlic and a little bit of ginger and some salt, and that's all the mix we need for our jalapenos. So here you go, guys. I bet you this is around 2 kilos or 2.5 at least. It's really heavy. Combined my what I've had collected a few days ago plus today, and this is all what I got. Those are the stems I have to get rid of, and this one is what I am going to pickle. So we're going to boil our pickle juice. Pickle juice is just combination of water and vinegar. So proportion is just 1:1. So if you have 1 cup of water, you're gonna need 1 cup of vinegar. I'm just using the regular white vinegar, and that's it. Just combine water and vinegar and let it boil. And once it starts boiling, then you have to turn off the heat and let it cool down for the jar for the pickles. Okay, so I'll do 6 cups of vinegar. There you go. And then we'll do 6 cups of water. So if I have extra of this, I will just save it, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get more pickling done in another few days. So in case I have extra pickling juice, I'll save it for later. It's not a big deal if I have extra of the pickling juice. So yeah, we'll turn on the heat and let this boil. And yeah, we'll continue for the rest step. There you go, guys. Vinegar and water solution is already boiling, so we're just gonna turn this off. We don't have to leave it boiling for a while, just a quick boil and then turn it off and let it cool down. And we're gonna go cut up some garlic and ginger for pickle. I got at least 9 pieces of garlic cloves and about an inch thick of ginger. So we're just gonna process this. I mean, cut it in small pieces or into strips. Okay, just like that. We'll strip it like this way. I mean, if you don't like ginger, you can skip these steps. You don't have to. Same thing with garlic. Jalapeno is as good as just salt and vinegar on it, but this really adds extra flavor and aroma into your pickle. And I like it with lots of garlic, and I don't even throw the garlic after the pickle jar is empty. I eat the garlic. It's really good. It's also pickled garlic. So I do it like this. I just cut it into little thin slices, just like that. And yeah, that's it. That's all you need. Okay, you guys, I have here 1.5 liter jar. This is olive jar, empty olive jar, and I'm just gonna reuse it. I already sterilized it. Still a bit hot right now, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna use for our pickled jalapenos. So let's go put some jalapenos in. We're going to alternate putting our garlic and ginger in between those jalapenos. Okay, so we had a few already done there, and we can add another batch of garlic and ginger, then more. Really, I don't measure it. It's just, you know, just drop few of the garlic in, just like that, and then fill it up. There you go. And yeah, there. I guess this is enough. We don't want to overstuff it because we still have to put the vinegar mix. Okay. There you go. Then we are going to add our salt. Salt, I will be putting 1 tablespoon of sea salt for 1.5 liters of jalapenos. And then we're going to fill this up with our vinegar. Okay, guys, the vinegar is not that still a little bit warm, but that's okay. We can still put it in. There you go. 2 cups. And there. 2.5 cups of vinegar. So guys, this is my jarred jalapeno pickle, homemade, and we're just gonna seal it up. I'll let this cool down a little bit. But yeah, basically the color, this is dark green right now. It will lighten up a little bit, but not as much. And it's still gonna stay crunchy and perfect for appetizer. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you guys learned something new and interesting and easy to do. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell down below to get notified for more of my videos. Hope you guys enjoy your day and take care. God bless and see you again. Bye. So here you go guys. I have 2 jars of jalapeno pickles. I made 2 jars. One 1.5 liter jar and this one is 650 ml jar. So pretty much I'm good till maybe another 2 months or so for this thing. But I bet you it's not gonna stay long. For me, I will be finishing this as soon as I can. It looks so good. Yummy, yummy, yum.